Want to know how to add images, videos or any medias in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to add it to your website. Super simple and easy. So let's get right into it. Now, first off, simply open up your WordPress.com and select your site. Head towards this three dot and then just simply select WP admin. Now, once you're there, you should be on the dashboard. On the left side, you can just simply browse up for medias. So it should be right below post. Just simply select media. And once you're there, if there are any media items, you can just simply manage it like this. But since there are none, you can just simply add it or import it just like this by selecting any one of these. Now you can just simply select it from anywhere that you want, maybe a video, audio or anything that you like. So simply select open, and once that is done, the file should be uploaded, or you can also upload it from URL by selecting upload just like this. And that's it. Super simple and easy. That's how you easily upload media. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.